Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make a right angle triangle in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First, get a new layer, click on the shape layer, shape tool, use rectangle tool and mode shape, fill color, press enter. Then hold shift, then draw anywhere. Click on the move tool. Again click on the path selection tool or direct selection tool. Then click the corner, right click on your mouse, delete anchor point. And use stroke color, solid line color or without fill, increase or decrease stroke size. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click on your mouse, flip horizontal, left and right side. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.